So, g'day people, how you going? Today's word I'd like to get into is Choc-a-Bloc. This is brought to you by Lubrication and Tampons. So, what is Choc-a-Bloc? Choc-a-Bloc is when, like this, it has so much stuff in it that you cannot fill it up anymore. So that is Choc-a-Bloc. This rubbish bin is Chockers. So that's an abbreviation, Chockers. Choc-a-Bloc, Chockers. And how do we get that? Quite frankly, I have no fucking idea. But here is some chocolate. Chocolate is the most disgusting dessert in the world. And it deserves to actually be in the... Wait for it. Rubbish bin. That's the best place you can put chocolate. To put it in your stomach is really not healthy for you. But that rubbish bin is now Choc-a-Bloc. And you cannot fill it up anymore. If you fill it up, it goes over and everywhere. Ooh.